Want your plants to grow faster without expensive fertilizer? Let me show you what actually works. Start with observation. This orchid shows active vegetative growth, but the flower spike is already spent. The bloom is wilted and no longer contributing to the plant. At this stage, it only draws energy away from new growth. Most people leave old spikes on for too long, expecting more blooms. In many cases, that slows overall recovery and growth. Cut the spent spike cleanly. This redirects energy back into roots and leaves where it's needed most. Repeat the same process with the second orchid. Start with observation. Check the leaves, roots, and any remaining flower spikes. Identify what is still active and what is already declining. Then act based on what you see. Remove any spent spikes or dying tissue. Keep anything that is still healthy and contributing to growth. For this method, start with a firm, fresh pear. Wash it thoroughly to remove any surface residue. This matters, since the peel will be used directly. Peel off the skin in thin layers. Try to keep it consistent. Avoid taking too much of the flesh, as that breaks down faster and can cause unwanted rot. The goal is clean peel with minimal pulp attached. Use the peel instead of the fruit because it breaks down more slowly and is easier to control. The flesh contains more sugar and moisture. It ferments quickly and can lead to rot or mold around the roots. The peel is lighter and less dense. It releases nutrients more gradually and reduces the risk of bacterial growth. That makes it more stable for this type of use. With the peel prepared, cut it into small pieces. Keep the size consistent. Smaller pieces break down more evenly and are easier to control. Avoid leaving large strips. They hold too much moisture and can decompose unevenly. The goal is a light, even layer that won't overwhelm the root zone. Place the cut peel into a clean container. Use a container that can be loosely covered, not fully sealed. Airflow matters. A sealed container will trap moisture and increase the risk of fermentation. Add the next component, eggshells. Rinse them first to remove any residue, then let them dry completely. This reduces odor and bacterial growth. Crush the shells into small pieces before adding them to the container. Smaller fragments distribute more evenly and are easier to work with. Avoid large, sharp pieces. Mix them lightly with the peel. Don't compact the material. Once everything is in the container, add water until it's nearly full. Leave a small gap at the top. Do not fill it completely. The mixture needs a bit of airspace. Use clean water. Avoid packing the contents down while filling. Blend the mixture using a hand blender. Process it until the peel and eggshells are broken down into a uniform slurry. There should be no large fragments left. Keep the blending controlled. Once blending is complete, filter the mixture. Remove any solids that did not break down. The goal is a smooth liquid, not a thick slurry. Use a fine strainer or cloth. Pour slowly and let it drain naturally. Do not force large particles through. Discard the remaining solids. Keep only the filtered solution for the next step. The solution at this stage is too concentrated. Dilute it before use. Add clean water and mix thoroughly. Do not apply it at full strength. A concentrated mix can cause residue buildup and increase the risk of microbial growth around the roots. Transfer the diluted solution into a clean spray bottle. Shake it lightly before use to keep the mixture even. Apply a fine mist around the root zone and growing medium. Focus on areas where roots are exposed or actively growing. Keep the spray light and controlled. Do not soak the pot. Avoid heavy spraying on the leaves and crown. Moisture trapped in those areas can lead to rot, especially if airflow is limited. If any liquid collects in the crown, remove it. Use this as a light supplement, not a primary watering method. Apply in moderation and observe how the plant responds over time. Use the remaining solution to lightly water around the base. Apply it to the growing medium, not directly into the crown. Keep the volume controlled. The medium should be moistened, not saturated. Overuse can lead to buildup and increase the risk of rot, especially in dense or slow-draining media. Treat this as a supplement, not a replacement for regular watering or balanced fertilizer. Observe the plant over time and adjust frequency based on how it responds. Once application is complete, wipe the leaves. Use a clean cloth or tissue. Remove any residue left from the spray. Keep the surface lightly moist, not coated. A thin film is fine, but buildup can block light and reduce gas exchange. Wipe gently, especially on softer leaves. Check the crown and leaf joints as well. Remove any trapped moisture. This step reduces the risk of rot and keeps the leaf surface clean for normal function. Maintain this as a controlled routine, not a frequent treatment. Apply the solution in intervals, not daily. Once every 1 to 2 weeks is enough for most conditions. Watch how the plant responds. If you see residue buildup, soft spots, or a sour smell from the medium, reduce frequency or stop. This method is not essential. It's a mild supplement. Keep the core care stable. Proper watering cycles, airflow, and light. Those have a larger impact on growth than any added solution. After 3 weeks of consistent care, the results were noticeable but not dramatic. All 3 orchids showed stronger leaf color. The leaves were firmer and held shape better. This suggests improved hydration and more stable growth. Root activity also improved. New root tips appeared on 2 of the plants. One orchid started forming a small flower spike. But it's still early. This is not guaranteed and depends on overall conditions, not just the solution. Not everything changed. Older leaves stayed wrinkled, and one plant responded more slowly than the others. This method supports recovery, but it does not reverse existing damage. Overall, the plants stabilized and showed gradual improvement. Keep expectations realistic. Consistency matters more than short-term results. And that's the full process and the result after 3 weeks. No shortcuts, no guarantees, just a controlled change and observed outcomes. If you want to see longer-term results or how this compares to standard fertilizing, consider subscribing or check out the channel for many related videos that will be covered in the next update. And I'll see you in the next video.